Our initial thoughts are 157, Illinois 157, is going to hit maximum capacity very, very quickly. That's why I stressed earlier that if everybody will choose the best alternate route for them, then we'll all be better off. But we are going to monitor this. This is why we will provide media updates throughout this closure so that we can get the word out, letting people know which routes still have capacity left on them, which ones are being overused. And we'll be adjusting signal timing. We'll do everything we can to try to get the word out until everybody kind of settles into their pattern. They are closing at 12:01 a.m. February 1, this Saturday morning, and they are going to hit the ground running. They have already let us know that Saturday they're going to have no less than 6 contractors working on it. And if the forecast holds that we're seeing 60 degrees on Monday, everybody on their contractor list is going to be out here working. We will be monitoring the detours and the alternate routes. We'll be doing traffic counts on them. We're going to have staff physically out on site at key locations throughout the different routes. We're also going to implement some technology. We're going to be flying drones over the alternate routes to monitor traffic. In addition to that, we're going to reach out to our emergency patrol operators and our partners at Illinois State Police to find out what they're seeing. We'll adjust signal timing, and we will be providing media updates to let everybody know which routes we see are being overused and which routes may be underutilized and have more capacity. With that, I'd like to remind everyone through these routes, please slow down, be patient.